Hi, in this video I will show you how to wrap a single rose. Things that you need: wrapping paper, scissors, transparent tape, ribbon. Place your flower diagonally on the paper. Cut a square piece of paper, leaving extra few inches from both top and bottom of the rose. Tape the stem in the middle to secure it. Pull the bottom corner up. Fold the paper from both sides to get nice even edges. Wrap the left side around the rose and wrap the right side on top of it. Secure it with one piece of tape. Finally, add the ribbon to the lower side of the bouquet. And that's how you wrap a single rose. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.